Welcome back to Supercar, your one-stop shop for all things automotive. Today we're diving headfirst into the exciting world of the Dacia Duster 2025. This budget-friendly SUV has taken the market by storm, and today we're showing you how to take it to the next level with 5 DIY upgrades that'll absolutely blow your mind. We're talking enhanced tech, boosted performance, and head-turning aesthetics, all on a Duster budget. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss an update from Supercar. Alright, let's kick things off with the heart of your Duster's digital experience, the infotainment system. Now, the 2025 Duster comes standard with a respectable 10.1-inch touchscreen. It's not bad, but let's be honest, we can do so much better. With a little DIY magic, we can transform this system into something truly special. Think about it, seamless navigation that gets you where you need to go without ever glancing at your phone. Satellite radio that opens up a universe of audio entertainment. And, of course, full compatibility with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, because who doesn't love having their smartphones seamlessly integrated into their driving experience? This upgrade is all about maximizing convenience, entertainment, and that connected driving experience that we all crave. Okay, let's talk about something that gets car enthusiasts really fired up: exhaust notes. For many, the sound of a car is just as important as its performance or looks. It's that visceral connection between man and machine, a symphony of mechanical prowess that can make or break the driving experience. The stock exhaust on the Duster does its job, but let's be real, it's not going to win any awards for its symphony of sound. It's functional, sure, but it lacks that certain something that makes you want to rev the engine just to hear it roar. That's where a custom exhaust system comes in. By swapping out the stock exhaust for a custom one, you're not just changing a part, you're transforming the entire character of your vehicle. We're talking about unlocking a whole new level of auditory excitement for your Duster. Imagine the thrill of hearing a deep, throaty growl every time you press the accelerator, a sound that turns heads and makes a statement. Imagine this: you step on the gas and instead of a muted hum, you're greeted by a throaty growl, a sporty rumble that announces your presence with authority. It's like your car is saying, "I'm here and I'm ready to go." But it's not just about the sound, although that's a major plus. A custom exhaust can also enhance the overall driving experience in ways you might not expect. A custom exhaust can actually improve your Duster's performance by reducing back pressure and optimizing exhaust flow. This means your engine doesn't have to work as hard to push exhaust gases out, which can lead to better fuel efficiency and more power. It's like giving your engine room to breathe, resulting in potential horsepower and torque gains. You might find that your car feels more responsive and eager to accelerate. Plus, let's be honest, a custom exhaust just looks cool, adding a touch of aggression to your Duster's rear end. It's a visual upgrade that complements the auditory and performance enhancements, making your car stand out in more ways than one. For those who crave adventure and refuse to be confined by the limitations of cargo space, this next upgrade is for you. We're talking about the ultimate adventure companion, a roof rack. Now, the Duster is already pretty spacious, but a roof rack takes its cargo carrying capabilities to a whole new dimension. Suddenly you've got room for everything: bikes, kayaks, camping gear, you name it. Imagine this: you're heading out for a weekend getaway, the open road beckoning, and your Duster is fully loaded with all the gear you need to make unforgettable memories. No need to pack light or leave anything behind. The roof rack transforms your Duster into a versatile adventure mobile, ready to tackle anything you throw at it. Plus, let's be honest, a roof rack just looks cool, adding a rugged, adventurous aesthetic to your Duster. Alright, let's talk about taking your Duster off the beaten path and into the wild world of off-roading. The Dacia Duster is a versatile vehicle, but to truly unlock its potential, especially in challenging environments, you need to consider some upgrades. Now, while the stock Duster can handle some light trails, if you're serious about tackling rough terrain, a suspension upgrade is a must. The stock suspension is good for everyday driving, but when it comes to off-roading, you need something more robust. We're talking about giving your Duster the ability to soak up bumps, conquer obstacles, and maintain composure when the going gets tough. A good suspension system will absorb the shocks and vibrations from uneven surfaces, making your ride smoother and more controlled. Imagine this: you're navigating a rocky trail, the Duster's suspension working tirelessly to keep you comfortable and in control. The upgraded suspension allows each wheel to move independently, adapting to the terrain and providing better traction. You feel a sense of confidence knowing that your vehicle is up to the challenge, ready to tackle whatever obstacles lie ahead. This confidence comes from knowing that your suspension system is designed to handle the rigors of off-roading. A suspension upgrade isn't just about off-roading though. It also significantly enhances your on-road driving experience. Whether you're driving on a smooth highway or a bumpy city street, an upgraded suspension provides better handling and comfort. It also improves on-road handling, making your Duster feel more planted and stable, especially when cornering or driving at higher speeds. The improved stability means you can take corners with more confidence and enjoy a more responsive driving experience. It's about enhancing your overall driving experience both on and off the pavement. With an upgraded suspension, your Duster becomes a more capable and enjoyable vehicle, ready for any adventure you throw its way. Okay, let's talk about an upgrade that's both practical and stylish. Custom LED lighting. Whether you're looking to enhance your vehicle's appearance or improve nighttime driving safety, custom LED lighting is the way to go. Now the Duster's stock headlights are decent, but let's be honest, they could be better. Stock headlights often lack the brightness and clarity that modern LED lights provide. Upgrading to LEDs is like giving your Duster a new set of eyes, illuminating the road ahead with a crisp, clear, and powerful beam of light. This upgrade ensures that you can see every detail on the road, from street signs to unexpected obstacles. Imagine this. You're driving down a dark road, the enhanced visibility provided by your LED headlights giving you added confidence and peace of mind. No more straining your eyes to see what's ahead. You can see further, react faster, and navigate those winding roads with ease. The powerful illumination helps you spot potential hazards well in advance, allowing for safer and more relaxed driving. But it's not just about safety. Custom LED lighting also enhances the aesthetic appeal of your vehicle. Custom LED lighting also adds a touch of modern sophistication to your Duster's exterior. The sleek design of LED lights can transform the look of your car, making it appear more contemporary and stylish. Whether you opt for sleek daytime running lights, eye-catching fog lights, or even accent lights for that extra flair, or a combination of both, the customization options are endless. LEDs instantly elevate your Duster's style, making it stand out from the crowd. So if you're looking to combine safety with style, custom LED lighting is the perfect upgrade for your Duster. And there you have it, folks. 5 incredible DIY upgrades that will transform your Dacia Duster from a budget-friendly SUV into a personalized masterpiece. Whether you're a tech enthusiast, an adventure seeker, or simply someone who wants the most out of their ride, these upgrades offer something for everyone. Remember, it's your Duster, so make it your own. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to give it a big thumbs up and share it with your fellow Duster enthusiasts. Let us know in the comments which upgrade you're most excited about, and don't forget to subscribe to Supercar for more awesome automotive content. Until next time, keep those engines roaring.